Welcome to Hanplas. This is our 3-folding garbage bag making machine. This machine is mainly suitable for making large-size t-shirt bags and flat bags. These folding bags are popular in Japan and Middle East market. I'm Stephanie. Let me introduce our machine. This machine includes 3 parts: bottom bag making machine, t-shirt bag die cutting device, and 3 folding parts. This is 3 folding parts. The first and the second folding are controlled by servo motor. It is much more stable than cylinder control. The main motor of this machine is Japan Yaskawa AC servo motor. This is die cutting device for t-shirt bag forming. There is a waste recycling device. It will automatically recycle waste after die cutting. This is unwinding device with auto lifting design. It's part of bottom bag making. Look at our electrical box. We use famous brand components for whole machine. Yaskawa servo control, Mitsubishi PLC. Each machine is equipped with Wi-Fi device for remote debugging. Delta inverter, Schneider bottom, One view touch screen. You can set the number through the touch screen, a stack of 10, 12, 15 pieces, as you like. All transmission bearings are from Japan and SK brand. Look at sample bags. If you are interested in this machine, welcome to inquiry.